Welcome to your IT class. Today, networking terminology. Well, in networking you can see how people are connected through each other through the sites, chatting, and various applications. Today's word is the global internet word. The internet is a global wide area network that connects computer systems across the world. It provides a variety of information and communication facilities. It also consists interconnected network which communicate with the people standardized communication protocol. Internet, which refers computer network and in an organization used to share files and resources of the organization security. Well, the private information of an organization cannot be used outside with the other person. So, like I'm giving you example, if the employees of an airlines interlinked with each other through the internet so they can access and modify booking and all, but their security is safe. No can access their information, no one outside. Bandwidth. Bandwidth is the amount of data that can be transmitted in a fixed amount of time, but expressed in the bits per second, bytes per second, accordingly their sizes. Kilobyte per second, megabyte per second. Internet service providers, ISP. There are the organizations that provide internet connection to the users. Some are like BSNL, Airtel, Reliance, and various other companies are available in the Indian market. Well, these ISPs provides the services from their server to the user. Internet can be provided to the servers through the ISP connection. Can be for government, for our personal home purpose, large companies. Everybody needs to take from the ISP that provides the facilities of internet exchanging for any kind of information. Website. A website is a collection of related web pages containing images, videos, and digital media. Like our register. As register consists of various pages and similar sort of. That is how a website is the collection of related web pages, existing pictures, videos. A website is identified by the domain name. These pages are written in hypertext markup language, that is HTML. Well, a website is hosted on a server on the World Wide Web. Each website is owned and managed by individual or company or any organization. Web portal. A web portal is a portal which means or act as gateway of entrance. In the context of World Wide Web, a portal is as a gateway to a wide range of internet services like email, search engine, e-commerce, etc. A web portal is also a website. A web page is written using HTML and is stored on a web server. It is a digital page which contains context, hyperlink, videos, images, etc. It's depend on the choice of who is preparing this page. It is the identified by a unique web address called Uniform Resource Locator. Well, every first page of a website is also known as home page. It contains main informations of the website attached with the other pages if you click any link. Well, what is link? Any colored picture or any colored text like a link where you click or where you place your cursor will show you a hand on that, and if you will click you will reach to the another page and another page of information with the collection of audio, video, graphics, etc. Hypertext is a text that a special feature of linking is with that. It can be easily identified on a web page because it appears different with the colorful, especially with the blue color. Uniform Resource Locator. The Uniform Resource Locator is a unique address of a web page or a website. When you will see, you will find there are various categories like HTTP, it is protocol, then the domain name of a website. After that, the subdomain is also attached with the top level domain. Then there will be a path as well. Well, path related to full IP address consists of a unique set of number which is provided to each computer by IETF, stands for Internet Engineering Task Force. It is a 32-bit numeric address containing a set of 4 numbers which is from 0 to 255. It is separated by the period like this dot resembles, and the last is the host address. That is how the IP address created. Domain naming system is a unique name given to each website. Resource connected to the internet. Domain name are easier to remember than the IP addresses since the name has strong correlation with the website. For example, like gov, it's represent government. Then com is represents commercial. Edu represents education. Similar to that, so are others. The domain name system is a system in which domain names are translated into internet protocol. That is it, class. Thank you.